Hello everyone! A pleasant good day, dear employers. My name is Mayan Magante Santos. I am a Filipino, 44 years old, married, and have 4 kids. I am currently working here in Hong Kong, and my contract ends on October 6. I have a 4 years experience in the Philippines as a housemaid. I do household chores like cleaning, marketing, cooking, ironing, and car washing. I also have experience to taking care of the kids and taking care of the pets. I know also to cook simple and basic Chinese dishes. I am a nice and a jolly person, a hardworking and trustworthy. If you give me a chance to work with you, I'll do my very best to serve your family. God bless and thank you. Bye-bye.